Once there was a very friendly dolphin. She always loved to be surrounded by some friends. She was very happy and energetic all the time, but unfortunately, this was her just one side. In real, she was quite sad and lonely. And that was her other side. She did not have parents and was a lonely orphan. She grew up totally by herself. She loved to dance and play, and that's how she started to entertain. She went out to dance and gathered some crowd, where everyone would applaud and she could be proud. She felt important and enjoyed the appreciation. In the night, when she returned home, she would again feel sad and be alone. Back home, she had her aunt, a jellyfish. She always cared and looked after the dolphin. One day, seeing the dolphin looking tired, Aunt Jellyfish came and inquired,
"Why you work so hard and entertain the crowd? No one really cares. Then why do you go out? You get exhausted with this dance. Do you really think that they care for your glance?"
Everyone loves me out there and especially comes to see my dance. If I don't go there, what would be my stance?
Let's try and find out if they really care. Do not go for a day and see if they again come to play.
Next morning, the dolphin did not go out and waited down to see the reality and find out. Like every day, kids came to see the dolphin play, but not finding her there, no one really bothered to stay. Soon they forgot about the dolphin dance and found another game just by chance. The dolphin was sad again. She didn't know what to do then. She thought about it for a bit and then decided to stick back to it. She learned a new lesson.
What is so bad if we feel happy just by caring for others? I should be proud that I can entertain the crowd. So what if they don't care? It makes me happy when they stop by and stare. If I don't go and entertain, my talent would be all in vain. But if I use my talent, my happiness may rise and do wonders. The real happiness comes from inside, and love is something you get only when you give to others at your side. To be sad or to be happy is your own choice, but opportunities come to you only once in a while.
Grabbing her precious opportunity once again, she soon started dancing and playing to entertain. The kids started coming, leaving their game. The life was happy and beautiful once again.